Get your toy.
S'mores' babies. Hi, cuties. Say we've grown since our last video. Hi, Pop-Ups. Hi, Pop-Ups. What are you doing? You stuck.
Come here.
So this is Mr. McLovins. Hi, buddy. So we're now 5.5 weeks old. Well, 5 weeks, 2 days. This is Friday, the 16th. And this is Cocoa Puff. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, honey. I know, yes, I know, you're so pretty. Her coloring is absolutely gorgeous. She hasn't lost an ounce of coloring. She's so dark. You're so pretty. Who's the pretty girl? Huh, yes. So we're 5 weeks and 2 days old today. Huh, yes, I know. Coco's already found her wonderful family, huh? So I got a wonderful mommy waiting for me. Yes, I do. Mr. McLovins is still looking for his family, though, huh? Yep. What's that?
What is that?
Lamb chop. Who doesn't love a lamb chop, huh?
What is that?
Get the bunny. Eat the bunny. Hi. Get you handsome. Get you handsome. Get you handsome. What are you doing? What are you doing? You just running. You just running, pretty lady. Get you, pretty girl. What are you doing? Are you going to get me? You think you're so tough. I feel a toothy in there. I feel we're cutting a little toothy in there. What are you doing? You're going to get my socks. What are you doing, stinker? You got a foot fetish. Yes, you like to kiss everything. Huh? So I don't mind, I'll kiss everything, huh? I get you. I can get you. Get you, get you, get you. Get you, get you.
Come here. Get you. I'm going to get you.
I told you he likes toes. He likes toes. Are you going to get me? You're going to get me. Hi, pretty lady. Hi, pretty lady. You're going to bark. Get you. Get you. Get you. You're so tough. Oh, my goodness. I'm so scared. McLovins. McLovins.
You're going to beat up your brother.
Oh, you think you're bad, don't you? Do you think you're... Oh, he's getting you back. What are you going to do? So wait a minute. He bites you in the tush and you bite me in the finger? Not cool. Get your brother back.
Did you get her?
Yeah?
Oh,
Your brother thinks he's tough.
You're getting me. Oh, you think you're tough. You think you're tough stuff, don't you? You think you're tough stuff. I just rub that belly and it's all over. Get you.
Oh, he is full of it. So we just had our photo session. You'd think that would have made them sleepy, but nope. I'll tell you, for 5 weeks old, they're very advanced. And their coats are absolutely gorgeous. Look at all this hair already. Yes, they don't even normally get fluffy till 6 weeks. You guys have absolutely gorgeous coats of hair. You guys are stunning. Yes. Yes, your mommy and daddy produce beautiful babies. You're gonna get me now. You're gonna get me now, Coco. You're gonna get me now, Coco. You're gonna get me, Coco. Give me Coco. Oh, you guys are full of it.
You're getting me. Oh, I'm scared.
You better be. McLovins is tough.
Your brother.
See, I might be a Mr. McLovins, but I'm bad. Ooh, I'm bad to the bone. I'm so bad. Honey, you don't even have a tooth in there yet. You're just gumming me.
Oh, we're down. We're down for the count.
Coco, you really will do anything for a belly rub. Up it's on the bed.
Where's the squeaker? Where's the squeaker?
In the middle, yeah. Lamb Chop's the color of you, dude.
What is that? Get your toys.
What are you doing, pretty lady?
You're so handsome. Huh?
You're gorgeous. Look at this hair. You're beautiful. And you, dude. He's so cute. He's so short and cobby. Gorgeous hair.
Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared of your brother. Yes,
Come here,
he
you.
is. He's a stinker. He's a stinker.
He's all wound up.
Stinker. Oh.
Come here.
He's mad. He's
Come here.
mad.
Come here.
He's
Hi,
mad.
handsome. Look at that beautiful hair.
What the heck? What the heck is this? What the heck is this?
We are really wound up. Oh,
Settle down.
oh my
settle
goodness. Settle.
Down. Be good. Settle down.
Hi. Where you going? Where
Lovin's, remember?
you going? What are you doing? Hi. You're a little riled up.
You gonna go bed?
No. Toy? You guys are advanced for your age. Yes, you are. You're very advanced. You watching the PC Kids or what? What? What's Bucks Melvin's doing? He's just wondering why that part's gated off.
Yeah, you're not getting behind the couch.
You're not going behind the couch, buddy. Sorry.
Yeah, you're not gonna go behind the couch. Hi, sweetie. Hey, you. Want
You're
the teddy-
pretty
want the
lady.
baby? Here, you can have him. Go get her.
I think she's stuck on the
you're
toll.
stuck. There you
Yeah.
go. Oh. Well, that was dramatic.
That was a little dramatic, yeah.
That was dramatic. Alright, you want the bear? Here.
Hi. Hi, pretty lady. Hi. She's like, oh, am I supposed to pose again? Don't worry, we did that a little while ago, huh? You were a superstar with your pictures.
Where you going?
What are you up to?
Where you going?
Come here.
Huh? Where you going? Get your tushy over here. Stinker.
You're
You
cute.
little stinker. Come here.
Come here.
Get your tushy over here. Play with your sister.
That doesn't mean beat her up. It's like, what fun is that? Oh, that feels good, huh?
Pretty girl, huh?
Yeah, you're a good boy. Stay over here.
Get the doggy.
Stay this way.
Get the doggy. Get her. Get the doggy. Get her. Get her.
Hi. Did you just run into your brother?
His tail.
I think she just ran into him. Come on. You guys are so cute. You're so cute. You go get it. Oh, you go get it. You go get it. Get Lamb Chop.
You can get my toes. Hey. Hey.
Cocoa butt. You guys are adorable. Oh. Yep. Say we're cutie pies. Say bye to the camera. You say bye to the camera. Oh, you were so wound up. Oh my goodness. Wait, you will say bye to the camera. So say bye to your mommy. Say bye, mom. Say bye, mom. Ah, yeah. Ah. So I can't wait to see you next weekend, puppy visit weekend. Wave your paw. You gonna wave your paw? What you gonna get? You gonna wave your paw? Get your.
You're silly. You're being silly.
Oh, you guys are goofballs.
Silly tonight.
Say bye.